8264. The purpose of the vertical fin is to provide A. Directional stability. B. Longitudinal stability. C. Lateral stability. The correct answer is A. The vertical fin, also known as the vertical stabilizer, is a vertical surface located at the rear of the aircraft. Its primary function is to provide directional stability, which means it helps maintain the aircraft's desired heading or direction of flight. The vertical fin creates aerodynamic forces that counteract the yawing moments caused by asymmetrical airflow around the fuselage, wings, and other components. This helps keep the aircraft aligned with the desired flight path and prevents it from yawing or turning uncontrollably. 8265. How are changes in direction of a control cable accomplished? A. Pulleys. B. Bell cranks. C. Fairleads. The correct answer is A. Pulleys, also known as sheaves, are commonly used in control systems to redirect the path of control cables. A pulley consists of a grooved wheel mounted on an axle, and the control cable is threaded through the groove. By changing the position and orientation of the pulleys, the direction of the control cable can be altered as needed. Pulleys are often used in combination with other components such as bell cranks and fairleads to achieve the desired routing and control movement. However, when specifically considering the mechanism responsible for changing the direction of the control cable, pulleys play a significant role. 8266. What is the smallest size cable that may be used in aircraft primary control systems? A. 1/4 inch. B. 5/16 inch. C. 1/8 inch. The correct answer is C. The selection of cable size for aircraft control systems is determined by various factors such as the loads applied, the specific aircraft design, and the regulatory requirements. However, in general aviation applications, 1/8 inch diameter cables are commonly used for primary control systems. These cables provide a balance between strength, flexibility, and weight, making them suitable for controlling primary flight surfaces such as ailerons, elevators, and rudders. It's important to note that the actual cable size used in an aircraft can vary based on the specific design and engineering considerations. 8267. After repairing or recovering a rudder, the surface should be rebalanced. A. To its spanwise axis. B. In its normal flight position. C. To manufacturer's specifications. The correct answer is C. After repairing or recovering a rudder, it is crucial to perform the necessary rebalancing according to the manufacturer's specifications. This step is essential to restore the proper functioning of the rudder and maintain the aircraft's controllability. By rebalancing the rudder surface, any changes or discrepancies resulting from the repair or recovering process can be addressed, ensuring that the rudder operates within the required parameters. This meticulous attention to rebalancing helps guarantee the optimal performance and safety of the aircraft during flight operations. 8268. Placing a piece of cloth around a stainless steel control cable and running it back and forth over the length of the cable is generally a satisfactory method of inspecting for A. Corrosion. B. Broken strands. C. Excessive wear. The correct answer is B. The clothespin method is a commonly used technique to inspect stainless steel control cables for broken strands. It involves wrapping a piece of cloth around the cable and sliding it back and forth along the length of the cable. As the cloth moves, it catches on any broken strands, allowing them to be easily detected. This method is simple and effective in identifying any potential issues with the cable's integrity. Regular inspections using the clothespin method can help ensure the continued reliability and safety of the control cable system.